Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is an uptrend continuation movement. Although we have a RSI divergence, but the uptrend still seems to be going. Later, I'll be sharing with you some of the ways to spot market reversal setup. All right, so down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have: a prolonged uptrend movement, and to the 1 hour, we start to see stronger bearish movement coming up. It could be a potential reversal of trend, or it can pretty much just say that it is a retracement. All right, so traders that have been buying up choose to take positions, and you see these profit taking moment where they exit, then the sell pressure will increase. So you can scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Discord channel where you get access to all important updates, and you won't miss a thing like traditional social media does. And on top of the link, you'll get access to our student portal over here. And within the student portal, if you'd like to be in our Telegram channel, you can click here, log in to comment, and that will bring you to our channel. And if you scroll down further, you can even start to learn how to trade Forex, and go through our coaching sessions, and set aside a day to go through it over and over again. Make sure you understand it, plot those analysis, and share it in our main channel. All right, on the session or rather the setup you have spotted. All right, so if you like what you're seeing, and of course you want to get coached by us, then drop us a note. We'll see if you're a good fit before we accept you as our students. If you scroll down further, you can even see some of the trading ideas that we have, and you can see that one thing in common is that our reward is to risk is 2:1, meaning to say that over here we did a slight alteration. We engaged pretty much at 87.92. If you do your math, you realize this is higher than 2, and that is not because we are trying to get a 2:1 ratio. You have to get it right. It's because the confirmation came in earlier, and we have engaged over there. And over here, if you see short EP, that means entry price, we are waiting for confirmation to engage somewhere around this range. All right, if that's clear things up. But as you can see, having a 2:1 ratio across our trading ideas as a minimum, it does bring us that a very good statistics that we just need a 40% to be profitable. And with that stats, it does help us to able to trade more confidently and not relying on hitting high profits and stuff like that to be profitable. All right, that's one good thing, and it significantly reduced the level of stress as a trader. All right, so let's head back to our daily chart while I share with you my analysis over here. So as you can see, if on the dotted line you see weekly resistance level, we can go one level higher, and you can see this is the exact same line that we are talking about. The market respected the previous structure and show a reversal sign, and with this kind of signal, it may encourage some of the longer time traders to jump in for his shorting opportunity, and that is why we need the following week for candlesticks confirmation. Moving into a Christmas week, not so sure how things will be like, but certainly if we are still talking this week, the market volatility is still very high. So the joke about it could be traders are trying to grab some more profits to buy presents for their loved one. Because I've never seen such movement before at this time of the year, and I've been trading for 17 years, right? So back to the daily chart, down to the daily chart, what you can see is that this bearish crab pattern pretty much still stands. It has a very different sets of rules than other harmonic patterns trading setup, but I can tell you that this setup is still valid for it to be like having a further confirmation 1.0518. Then you can wait for a confirmation at those levels before you choose to engage the trade. And if you head down to the 4-hour chart, you can see that from the color of the channel, you'll know that my intent is to look for a shorting opportunity. So, well, you can wait for a break and close below this trend line for a shorting opportunity over here. Okay, you have to wait for it to close below it. And one way to do it is to use technology to help you. And over here, I set the condition less than trend line once per bar close, and I receive it and send it to my Discord channel. So this is how it's done. So when I receive the alert, I know it has fulfilled the condition. Then I have a look to see if I have the formation I need. It just takes seconds of work of those kind of confirmation. If you hit on the 1 hour chart, if you are looking for a buying opportunity, well, this is what we have over here. We have a bullish shark pattern sitting on the previous 5-0 pattern over here, all right, which you can ignore this if you like to, but I love to use this as reference. I'm waiting for the candlesticks to react at the previous trend structure and see if I can have a confirmation over here. So I can use alerts the way I want it, treat it like my very personal assistant. The difference is that this personal assistant will do exactly what I ask him or her to do, and it will help me to keep staring on the screen, so I do not need to do so. So if this is the kind of trading that you like, knowing where to place the important level of alerts and condition to set, learning the right strategy to apply at the right time, well, drop me a DM and we'll include you in the upcoming sessions or tradings that will get you informed. All right, that's all I have for you today. Looking forward very soon to see you in our community. Till then, remember always play your trade and play your plan. Take care.